Hi, I'm Amy.
And I'm Holly, and we're dietetic students at the University of Illinois.
Do you ever dread preparing meals for your children because you just anticipate that struggle that you're going to have with them trying to get them to eat their veggies?
Well, we have a simple way for you to trick your picky eater into getting more vegetables and not even knowing it.
Today we prepared a classic kids' favorite, mac and cheese.
So we're going to show you how to sneak in some riced cauliflower for extra nutrition without sacrificing taste.
Your kids won't even notice it's there.
We all know that vegetables are crucial in our diet. They're a low-calorie way to add essential vitamins and minerals as well as fiber. And it's recommended that kids consume at least 3 servings of vegetables every day.
How many kids in the U.S. do you think are currently meeting this recommendation?
Shockingly, only 20% are meeting this standard. So we should be looking for more ways to add vegetables throughout the day.
Adding fresh or frozen cauliflower to macaroni and cheese is a great strategy to bump up your child's vegetable intake.
Other possible options include throwing spinach or peppers into scrambled eggs, adding tomato to grilled cheese, or combining pureed vegetables with pasta sauce.
Now that you've seen how easy it can be to add some veggies into your family's diet, we hope that you can come up with some ideas of your own as well.
We encourage you to experiment and then post your successes and ideas in the comments so that others can try too. It's really good.
Yeah.